are going to make a very popular breakfast recipe, Kanda Batata Poha. Poha is a flattened rice. Kanda means onion. Kanda Poha is known in Maharashtra region. Batata means potato. Batata Poha is known in Gujarat region. This Kanda Batata Poha is a combined version of both the region plus known particular breakfast recipe. This healthy, tasty Kanda Batata Poha is a combination of potato, onion and flattened rice with a touch of ginger and mustard seeds. And for this particular recipe, we require thick flattened rice. So let's see the ingredients. For making Kanda Batata Poha, we require 1.5 cup of thick poha, thick flattened rice, half cup chopped potatoes, half cup chopped red onion. We'll use 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 7 or 8 curry leaves, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon finely chopped green chili, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and we'll use pinch of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and traditionally we'll garnish Kanda Batata Poha with finely chopped cilantro leaves. In India, every region they serve Kanda Batata Poha with different add-on flavors. These are optional variations such as roasted peanut, sev, chickpea noodles, and grated coconut. These you can choose as per your likes. So let's start preparing Kanda Batata Poha. We will wash the thick poha in a sieve with water through the sieve to make it soft. Here is the tips to remember. We don't want to get soggy with too much water. So we will use very less water just to get wet this poha and make it soft. And we'll set aside. To start with, heat the oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds, let them crackle. Once they start sizzling, now we'll add curry leaves, green chili, pinch of asafoetida, ginger, and we'll add turmeric powder. will add potato and salt. We'll add few tablespoons of water and cook till it gets semi-cooked on a medium flame. Then we'll add onion. Now we'll add onion, mix it well and cook till the potato and onions gets fully cooked on a low flame. Looks like the potatoes are now fully cooked. Time to add poha. We'll add sugar. Mix it together. Cover it with the lid for 2 minutes and let it cook on a low flame. Looks like our poha is ready. Turn off the gas. We'll add lemon juice and we'll garnish with cilantro leaves and serve hot. In India, every region they serve with different add-on flavors such as garnish with peanuts, sev and grated coconut. This traditional super authentic Kanda Batata Poha is simple and easy and tastes delicious. This we can garnish with cilantro leaves and serve hot. So enjoy this Kanda Batata Poha. Prepared with less ingredients and with healthy spices like turmeric and ginger. Try this healthy Kanda Batata Poha the way you like it. Please subscribe my food channel. Next time, see you with the new recipe. Till then, eat healthy, stay happy, love you all.